We are Takeoff, a top-tier creative agency for the gaming industry. Our headquarters is in France, where we are today. You probably already have seen our work without knowing it was us. A few months ago, AMD and Bethesda reached out to us regarding the launch of the highly anticipated AAA title Starfield, which AMD is the official partner. Both brands challenged us on creating a one-of-a-kind Starfield premium mod. But before manufacturing the mod, the first step for us was to design it digitally. It is therefore crucial for us to have high-performance computers dedicated to 3D renderings. One of the most challenging aspects of our work is time. Deadlines are often very short and we need to deliver fast and impressive results to meet clients' expectations. Especially in this case, we only had a few weeks to propose design options and have both AMD and Bethesda approve a final shortlisted one. For this project, we use an AMD setup that has been undoubtedly a game changer for our workflow. It drastically reduces our rendering and simulation times. The use of high-performance AMD components like this GPU has empowered us to accomplish significant projects in a considerably short time. At the end of the day, and beyond anything else, what we love as a creative agency is to see our projects come to life. And we are very proud of this premium mod.